In front of me is Realme Note 60 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then tap on Device Unlock and tap on Screen Lock here. Now pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Now answer this question by selecting the best option and hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!